Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel TechUp, and today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can easily delete your Yubo account. Are you getting fed up with using Yubo and now you want to delete your account? Then this video is the right one for you. First of all, just open up your Yubo app and log into your account. And after logging into your account, it will be on the Yubo app. Right here, go on the top right corner of your screen to your profile. From here on, again, go on to settings. And if you go to settings, just scroll down until you see a option for delete account. Now just click on delete account. And now you just have to type in delete in all caps and again click on delete. Then your account will be deleted from Yubo. And that is how simply you can delete your Yubo account. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for review. And for more content like this, see you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.